welcome to Math Lesson 34. Hope your day is going well. We are going to get started with our tablas, okay? So I'm going to mix these up for you. And here we go. This time I'm going to flip them like this, okay? So be ready. 3 times 10 equals 30. 5 times 4 equals 20. Remember, you're trying to beat me. Same before I do. 7 times 2 equals 14. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 1 equals 3. Oops. 10 times 4 equals 40. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 10 equals 20. 4 times 10 equals 40. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 9 equals 27. 2 times 8 equals 16. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 3 equals 12. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 8 equals 24. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 5 equals 10. 5 times 1 equals 5. 4 times 8 equals 32. 1 times 2 equals 2. 4 times 4 equals 16. 10 times 2 equals 20. And our last one, 1 times 6 equals 6. Excellent job. Okay, we are talking about checking a subtraction problem today. We've already learned how to check addition problems. How do you check an addition problem? First, you add down, then you get your answer. Then you add back up. If your answer on the top matches your answer on the bottom, then you did it right. Well, let's see what you do when you want to check subtraction. You start by subtracting. 325 minus 142. 5 minus 2 is 3. Very good. 2 minus 4. Oh, I can't do that, can I? Because 4 is bigger than 2. So what do I have to do? Borrow, that's right. So I'm going to borrow from the 3. So I take away 1 from the 3, it leaves me with 2. I bring that 1 over to the 2, and now I subtract. 12 minus 4 is 8. Very good. Now over here, 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer is 183. Now I want to check it. So to check it, I'm going to draw 2 lines underneath my answer so that I separate my answer from where I'm checking it. Now, I'm going to add my bottom number here and my answer. When I add them, if they equal my top answer, then I know I did it correctly. So let's add. 2 plus 3 is 5, that's right. 4 plus 8 is 12, very good. Carry my 1 just to here, not all the way up, just to this one. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 325 is my answer. Is that the same as my top? Yes, it is. So I did this problem correctly. Okay, let's try another one. Now this one that we're about to do together is letter A, number 1, page 67. So if you don't have that page, pause the video now and grab that page so we can do it together. Number 1, letter A. 6,000 minus 936. Okay, you see all these zeros, and I know you're tempted to just say, oh, 0 minus 6 is 6. But is that right? No, we can never, ever, 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 never, ever subtract from 0. You can't do it because you have nothing. You can't take something away from nothing. You have to have something. So I can't subtract from 0. What do I have to do? I have to borrow. So I have to travel all the way down to my first whole number, which is over here. I'm going to borrow 1, it leaves me with 5. Now, this number becomes what? 10, very good. I can't skip this 0 and go all the way down to here with my 1. No, I can't do it. I have to go in the line to get back to my first 0. So now I have 10. I'm going to borrow 1 from 10. It leaves me with 9. And this becomes 10. I borrow 1 from this 10, leaves me with 9. And I bring my 1 over here. Now I can subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 9 is 0. You're doing great. 5 minus 0 is, because there's nothing here, so that means 0, is 5. So 5,064 is my answer. Let's check it to see if it is correct. So I'm going to draw my double line. Oops. And now I'm going to add this number here, the bottom number, plus my answer. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry my 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 is 10. Carry my 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 0 is 10. Carry my 1. There's nothing here, it's just this 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6,000, 6,000. Do my answers match? Yes, they do, so I subtracted correctly. Okay, let's try the next one. This is letter B. Letter B for number 1. 2,364 minus 1,205. I'm going to start. Can I subtract 5 from 4? No, because 5 is bigger than 4, so I have to borrow from my 6. Take away 1, leaves me with 5. Bring my 1 over here. 14 minus 5 is 9. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 again. Okay, great work. Now let's check it. We're going to add. 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry my 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2,364 is my answer. That matches my answer on the top, so I know I did it correctly. Okay? There you go. That's how we do number 1. Number 2 on your paper asks you to add and check. Remember, you add down, then you add back up, and if your answer on the top and the bottom matches, then you did it correctly. Number 3, write the products, so you need to multiply. Don't forget to carry. If your product is a 2-digit number, you put the first digit down, carry the second one. Number 4 says write the value, use a $sign and decimal point. So count up your bills, your paper money first, then count up your coins, and you write them down on the blank. Don't forget your $sign and decimal point, which is what you need to put in for number 5. Number 5 starts out with 7842. Remember, you count 1, 2, punto, and then $sign is always at the end. Okay, the next side of your page talks about finding an unknown addend. So let's say I have 14 plus something equals 25. I want to know what plus 14 equals 25. Well, there's a super cool trick that you can do, because did you know that subtraction undoes addition? And addition undoes subtraction? What? It does. So I can use that to find my answer because they're opposites. So I'm missing the number that's being added. So to find that number, I'm going to flip it. I'm going to put my answer on top. I'm going to put the number I do have on the bottom, and I'm going to switch my sign from addition to subtraction. So I just flipped everything, bloop and bloop, and I changed it. So 25 minus 14, 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Let's check it by putting 11 back in place of my question mark. Four plus 1 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2. So it works. I subtract, putting my answer on top, and I get the missing number. All right, let's try another one. This is letter A for number 6 in your book, page 68. What plus 7 equals 14? Well, to find that, I'm going to put my answer in front and subtract my other number. 14 minus 7 equals 7. So that means 7 plus 7 equals 14. Does it? Yeah, it does. So it works. Okay, you're going to be doing that for the rest of number 6. Number 7, you need to set the clock to the correct time. Number 8 says find the elapsed time. So that means you need to know how much time has passed. For example, letter A, we start with our hour hand, little past the 9, and our minute hand on the 4. What time is that? 9:20, right? Then our next time has our hour hand a little farther, and our minute hand on the 45. What time is that? 9:45. So my minute hand has gone from the 4 to the 9. So let's count the time that it's passed. From 4 to 5, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So that's the time that has passed. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing on your next clock, the yellow clocks. So count where your minute hand is on the first one, count the numbers to where your minute hand is on the second one by 5s. That's all that we have for today. Make sure you finish your paper. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.